the funniest thing I've ever seen. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, now go back there and vacuum. There you go, right there. Vacuum right there. That's a dirty spot. There you go, vacuum.
What?
You're funny, man, that's what. You're the only person I've ever seen that puts a fire hat on to go vacuum. Yeah, it's very manly of you.
Pirate hat?
Oh, pirate hat. I'm sorry. Is it pirate because you're wearing it backwards? Oh, okay. Are you vacuuming for Mama? I'm sure she appreciates that. Are you a ham? Cheese. Are you a little bit of a ham? Huh? You want to hear it?
Yeah.
Tell everybody hello. Say hello, everybody. You lost your hat, Blondie. You can't vacuum without your pirate hat on.
No.
Okay, now you're ready to go. Tell everybody bye.